Ever wondered how robots are changing our world from disaster response to making your burger? Robots are already making their mark. In this video, we'll dive into some of the most incredible ways robots are transforming our lives. We'll check out cutting-edge robots pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So buckle up and get ready to explore the future of robotics. Remember those robot dogs we saw going viral last year? Get this, they're already out in the field. Deep Robotics just dropped their latest and greatest, and it's built like a tank. This thing is rocking dual LiDAR, a whole bunch of cameras for a full 360 view, and it can handle anything you throw at it. Mud, rubble, you name it. And the crazy part is what it can do. They're using these things to inspect underground power cables, and it can even help out in disaster zones. It's like the perfect sidekick, bridging the gap between what humans can do and what those massive machines can handle. Speaking of teamwork, have you seen what China's been up to? They've got these humanoid robots called the Walker S1, and they've been training them in a smart factory. But here's the kicker, these robots are working together as a team like a well-oiled machine. They're using AI to figure out how to break down tasks, schedule their work, and even coordinate with each other. It's like watching a team of robots brainstorm and get stuff done. This is next-level automation, guys. You know how a school of fish moves so effortlessly? Turns out, scientists have been taking notes. They created this virtual reality system where fish could interact with holographic versions of themselves. Crazy, right? What they learned is that fish don't need to know how fast they're going to stay in formation. They just react to their neighbors. And guess what? They applied this to robots. They're controlling entire swarms of robots using this simple fish-inspired system, and it works just as well as those complicated industry standard ones. Nature is the best teacher, am I right? Now this one's close to my heart. Researchers have developed a soft exoskeleton called MyoStep, and it's designed to help children with cerebral palsy walk. It's lightweight, comfy, and uses artificial muscles to provide support. But the really cool part is that it has sensors that track movement and adjust the support in real time. It's like having a personal assistant helping you walk every step of the way. This tech has the potential to change so many lives. We've all seen robots in movies putting out fires, but this is next level. This company in China, Unitree, has built these robot dogs that can blast water or foam like a fire hose. They can shoot out a crazy 40 liters per second, which is no joke. They're already using these Robo-Firefighters in China, and I gotta say, this is a game changer for emergency response. It keeps human firefighters out of harm's way while they tackle the blaze. All right, let's talk food. BurgerBots and ABB Robotics have teamed up to create the ultimate burger flipping duo. They've opened up a robot-run burger joint where these bots can whip up a burger in under 30 seconds. And it's not just about speed, these robots are consistent, which means every burger is cooked to perfection. Plus, it frees up human staff to focus on customer service, which is a win-win. And if you're looking for a more personal touch, there's Bella. She's a robot waitress working at a cafe in Dorset, and she's there to lend a helping hand, or should I say a helping wheel, to the staff. Bella delivers food, belts out a few tunes, and even chats with customers. It's like having a robotic entertainer serving your meal. I'm telling you, the future of dining is looking pretty interesting. Let's move from burgers to milk. Over in the Netherlands, there's a company called Lely that's changing the dairy farming game. They've got these robots that do everything from milking cows to cleaning up after them. But here's the cool part, the cows get to choose when they want to be milked. No more chasing them around the field. This makes the cows happier and more productive. It's a win-win for the farmers and the cows. And finally, we have Matic, the AI-powered cleaning robot. This isn't your average Roomba. This thing is using some serious tech like Tesla-level computer vision. It learns your home, your habits, and adapts to get the job done right. It can even switch between cleaning modes on the fly depending on what needs to be cleaned. Imagine coming home to a spotless house every day without lifting a finger. That's the future Matic is building. So there you have it, 9 incredible examples of how robots are changing our world. From disaster zones to dairy farms, robots are becoming more integrated into our lives every day. What did you think of these incredible robots? Which one blew your mind? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment with your opinions and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content.